Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to add keyframes in a CapCut video. So first of all, we're going to add a sample video. I just added this racing clip, and then we're going to go press on the video, and over here we have the keyframes. So we have a scale, position, and rotation keyframe. We're just going to add the scale one, and then we're going to forward our video to where we want the zoom in to stop because we're using scale. Let's just say here. And then we're gonna do our edit. So we're gonna zoom in, and then we can just press play from the original keyframe. And as you can see, it will automatically zoom in from one keyframe to the other. And then you can add another keyframe if you'd like, and you can put it back. So zooms in and then zooms back out. That's pretty much how you use keyframes. It works the same with the position and the rotation, so that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And make sure to have a great day. See you in the next one. Goodbye.